package today. This unboxing haul is gonna be like based off of a week. Like it's gonna be multiple videos throughout the week of me unboxing inventory because I have stuff coming this week and next week. So always keep, if you have to pay custom charges, always keep the paper. I'm gonna put it somewhere. But always keep the paper. But I got this package. It's for a kit that I have coming. But I'm not gonna tell you guys about the kit yet because I want to wait for everything to come first, and then I'll tell you guys about it. Thing with these vendors in China, they package your stuff good. Like they stuff it in there. But yeah, this video is gonna be over like a week. Oh, I did not know. Oh, it's the bag. I'm like, I did not know these had writing on them. But I got red, black. Okay. Red, black, pink, green, white, like a wine red color. I got this, like, I don't know what you want to call this, purple mauve color. I'm taking this side. And then blue. So these are robes, but they're for a specific thing that I have coming. So these won't be, I don't think I'm going to be selling these separately. But if you guys do want robes separately, then let me know. But I don't, for right now, I don't think I will be doing them separately, but I'm gonna just open one because I want to see. But I like how it's packaged, but I think it should be okay. Okay, the quality feels nice. Okay, I'm happy because I was scared with how the quality would feel, and it feels nice. And it has this like little lace at the bottom. It's actually really cute. Can you guys see? But yeah. Oh, and then the little tie thing for it are one size fits all. That's it for my package today. I also got apparel boxes from Uline. Show you guys one of the boxes. This is how the box looks. These apparel boxes from Uline for my kit, and that's it for today's part of this unboxing haul. Until tomorrow, I get hopefully 2. Anyways, guys, so this is part 2 of me unboxing inventory. I was supposed to get 2 boxes today, and I only got 1, and I'm very confused because UPS is so annoying. They said that like only one of my packages were out for delivery, but then the other one was coming today, but it still always tells me like, oh, when it's out for delivery. So I called them, and she said that both packages are loaded onto the truck and it should be coming today. And the UPS guy just came and he brought 1 package. So I really don't know if if a different person's gonna come. Like, I don't know. I have no idea. But unbox this package, and it's gonna. These are my velvet pajamas. I'm so excited, guys. I got so many, but guys, my customs for this was nearly $100. Just customs. I hope this is not my address. No. Just Customs was that place. Like, what? So expensive. I can hardly, how do you even take this out? Oh my gosh, and I'm gonna have to rip this out of the box because I'm struggling. Ooh, oh my gosh. Look how they package this. Oh, so many. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. I got so many pajamas. I got literally like all the colors that they had. Let's see. These are the purple ones. I'm gonna open it. If I find where to open it. Oh. They feel so nice. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be comfy. So these are the shorts. Oh my gosh, they feel so good. And this is the shirt that comes with it. I guess you have to clamp the because it comes like this. So you have to clamp the back of the shirt by yourself. So let me just do that so you guys can see the whole thing. Not that hard. And then they're readjustable straps in the box. And this is it. This is a medium. This looks pretty big for a medium, to be honest. The shirt, but I guess you want it to be pretty flowy, but like it feels really, really nice and comfortable. Like to sleep in, this would be nice. And then the shorts that are very short, but I mean, they're really cute. So this is the set. Purple one. I got purple. Bring this chair back. I got purple. If I can pull these out, I can show you guys everything. All the colors. I got purple. I got this like blue color. I don't know what this color is, but it's really pretty. Purple. Oh my gosh, there's so much at the bottom too. I want to show you guys all the colors that I got. Bruh, okay. I just showed you guys this blue color that I got. And then I got this like wine red color. And all my things go up to size double XL, I believe, or extra large. I need to go all up to extra large. So I got this pink color, or like blush. It's so pretty. And then I got royal blue. And then I got this color of blue. It's different. I hope you can tell the difference. And then I got this green. I don't know what kind of green this is called. Got this, and then I got black. So I'm pretty sure it's all the colors that I got. I'm gonna count this inventory now to make sure everything's right, and I got all the right amount of pieces and sizes and everything. And we'll go on to the next day. If UPS delivers my other package today, I'll unbox that with you guys, because those are my purses, and I'm really excited for those. I really want to drop them on my site. Literally, no joke, 5 minutes later, right after I filmed that, like 5 minutes after, my second package came. These UPS drivers have been driving up real close to my car, nearly hitting my car. But these are my purses. I'm so happy. Okay. They're so pretty already. The box is so big, you guys probably can't even see. It's literally huge. Oh my gosh, guys. There's, oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna open one. I'm gonna open the pink one and show you guys, because this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I have pictures on my site already that I put coming soon. But, guys, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I can't. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Jada Cheeves was literally just wearing this bag. It's so pretty. Colors, because people were asking for like colors. So I got more colors in my purses. But these are my new purses, the ones that are like long. How much do these something? Same price. Bruh. I love the red. Oh my This is so pretty, and I'm pretty sure I got it in like the longer purse too. This is, oh my gosh, I literally can't. The plastic, bro. Look how pretty this is.
Yeah.
This is so pretty. I love with the red because it's like matte. The nude. Oh, the wine red, guys. So pretty. I love them. Anyways, this is supposed to be my new jackets and my velvet boots. Okay. First, I have my velvet do-rags and this. They're so nice and thick. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. So my velvet do-rags, and the writing is on the back now, because then you'll always see it. The jackets. Another package. This is the last package that I'm gonna show in this video, because I have more stuff coming, but not right now. So I'll probably do another unboxing. I also got tags for my purses, and I'll insert like a picture of how those look. And then I got new business cards, but I don't like how they look, so I just messaged Vistaprint and they're gonna make me new ones. So, but these are my new tubes. What? I got more squeeze tubes. I already have squeeze tubes. This is my same vendor, but I ordered more squeeze tubes because I have new lip glosses that I'm coming out with, and then I ordered new wand tubes as well. So I've been waiting for these tubes to come so that I can do my a sale on my other wand tubes, but my squeeze tubes, so cute. My squeeze tubes are all 15 milliliters, I believe. Okay, these are my new. Yes, these are my new wand tubes. They're so pretty. My new wand tubes are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm gonna fit so much more in these ones than my other ones. I really like these ones a lot better. I like how much thicker it is. And then it just says Kai Collection on it. It's so pretty. I'll wash all these tubes, but that's pretty much it for this video.